Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So welcome to Thursday live trading session. Yeah. So let me, okay. Okay, so we'll be going, we are already live. So what I want everyone to do for me is, first of all, let me know where you are joining us from. Let me know where you are joining us from. If you are joining us from any location, please type your name and where you are joining us from. We would want to know where people are joining us from, right? Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Joshua Rotimi, welcome. I can see you. Abubakar Bubari, welcome. I can see you. Yeah, Drizla, welcome. I can see you. Please go ahead and tell us your name and where you are joining us from. We want to know you and recognize everyone and where everyone is joining us from. So this is sharp 11 a.m. So the time for our live trading session on Thursdays is 11 a.m. So last week, unfortunately, we didn't have live trading session. So first one. So but today we are at it. Sorry, just give me a moment. Let me settle some stuff so that we can be at the same page. Why is this not playing?
Also, guys, how you doing? So, even the sound is disturbing.
Yeah, actually.
This video is strictly for those who
In the meantime, go ahead and tell us your name and where you are joining us from. In a moment, we'll be going to the chart. Okay, I can see every one of us. People joining from Kuje, Abuja, Kuje, from Castina. So welcome everyone. So again, I want to see our energy in today's live trading session. You can go ahead and type money must be made today. Money must be made. Money has to be made. So when we come on our live trading session on Thursdays here is to help everyone, as much people that can connect to our live trading session to make money. So usually it has always been awesome. FXDaddy himself has always been taking it, and it has always been awesome. And people just connect and boom, they are making money on their account. We have records of people using our live trading session on Tuesdays like this to pass profit accounts. So it has always been awesome. So I can see your energy. Type money must be made. You can drop some fire emoji. Let's go, guys. Drop some fire emoji. It's gonna rain profit today. Drop some fire emoji. Drop some fire emoji. We are 17 in numbers now. But what I want everyone to do for me, you can copy this link, post on your WhatsApp status, copy this link, share it everywhere, you can, that traders can join and make money. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let me respond to my community and tell them that we are live, so that everyone can join and make money with us. So go ahead and share this link. Share this link. So one of our mentors will say, share it 100 times. So anywhere you know that is relevant for people to see this link, please share this. And it's cooking now. To rain profits and dollars. So that's like one good thing you can do to a fellow. Go ahead and share this link. People are joining. Let's go and make some money. Just give me a little time. Let me send this to. Let's go, guys. Let's go and get the bag from the markets. Let's go and get the bag. Let's go and get some bag from the markets. So if you shared this link, you can write on the comment section. Let me know that you shared. Let me know that you've shared. Let me know that you've shared this link. You can comment on the comment section. Let's know and appreciate you. In a moment, we'll be going to the chart to make money. More persons to join the live trading session. We'll be hitting the chart immediately. Okay. Link shared everywhere. Yeah. In a moment, we'll be going straight to the In a moment, we'll be going straight to the chart. We're gonna print money from the market today. So keep it rolling, guys. I can see your handwork. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Somebody needs to see this link and join this session. Someone needs to see this link. Someone needs to see this link. So done. So let's go. I can see every one of us typing and sharing the link. Shared. I can see your fire emoji. Shared. Money must be made. People are dropping it with so much energy. Money must be made today. Money must be made today. Money must be made today. Money must be made. Yes, we are now 20 amazing people on this live. If you've not introduced yourself to us, please go ahead and type your name and tell us where you are joining us from. So we like to know where people join us from. And if this is your first time also joining our live trading session, do well to tell us that today is your first time joining our live trading session. We had like to give you one zobo in the FX market way. So just go ahead. Let's bubble the comment section. Yes. Yes, joining from Lagos. We can see you. Yeah, money must be made. So we had like to raise disclaimers. Firstly, I will tell us that you are not under any pressure, under any duress to take all the trades that I'm going to be analyzing and sending notifications and signal. So as much as your account can carry, you are going to take as much as your account can carry. So you may not take all the signal. If your account size cannot carry all the signals that who can find in the market, just take the much you can take, and the next day you go you can you know. So that's one. And another thing is, in as much as we have a consistent track record of profitability during live trading session, so we cannot conclusively say that every trade that we bring on board is going to be profitable. So hence, if you are entering any position, please, I will request that you do accurate and proper risk management, because as it were in the forex market, you cannot say 100% that this trade is going to be or go your direction. You can be technically right, but then the market chooses to do whatever it wants to do. So do your proper risk management. So that's what I'm saying. Do proper risk management. So I've already told us that you are not under any pressure to take all the trades. So anyone that you feel like you don't want to trade, you don't want to take, well, good and fine. Just take the ones that meets your discretion and all. So do your proper risk management. We'll be going straight to the chart in a moment. So I can see people responding in the comment section. Oliver from Anambra, Steph Magic from Imo, you are welcome. Is this Imo? Okay, you are welcome. Everybody, welcome. I can see everyone in the comment section. Welcome. So we'll be going straight to the chart now. Let's go to the chart. Let me share my screen. So we can make some money from the markets. Make some money from the markets. Okay. In a moment, you'll be seeing my screen. In a moment, you'll be seeing my screen and sharing my screen for us to see. Yeah, okay, this is a thread that I and my community members we already on. So I think this one there's nothing we can do on this pair now. So let's go to a fresh chart so we can see. So I'm going to be analyzing as much charts as our time can permit. So just in case you find signal on anyone, would be taking the trade, would be taking the trade. So as much signal we can find, we are going to take the trade. Okay, let me start with, this is CHF Let me go to 4 hours time frame. So on a 4 hours time frame, I believe everyone can see my screen. Yeah. So on a 4 hours time frame, let's see what price action is doing currently on this pair. So if we can see that on this pair, we'll see what price action is doing, and we can say that this pair, as at this point, this pair is tilting towards the downside, but it's not as though that we are going to just jump into a sell position or a buy position. We are looking at this 4 hours time frame to get the clear picture of what the market is doing as at now. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So you can see your screen that these points I marked our level. This is like a key level on this pair. This is like a key level. If you try to stretch it to your left hand side, you see that market has been touching, respecting and rejecting on this level, breaking and breaking this level multiple times. So this makes this point a very strong level in this market. So what I'm expecting and speculating is for this level to come to this level, but that's like what the market is going to do in the overview. But let's see on a lower time frame, let's see if we have an entry on this trade. It could be sell or buy. So let's go. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. So this level, I'm expecting that the market is going to come to this level. It's going to come to this zone here. Let me see if we have a possible entry. Possible entry. This can serve as our signal one. Let's see if we are going to have a possible entry. See if we have a possible entry. So ideally, I'm looking out for a buy on CHF JPY. I'm looking out for a buy on CHF JPY. Let's see if we take, okay. So based on where the market is currently, I may not want us to initiate a buy position at the moment, but we are going to be making the use of pending order. Let's allow the market to, rally down a little, then it can take us in for a buy. Because at this point that the market is currently, if we want to initiate a buy position, so I'm taking time to make this analysis so that people on this live trading session can as well learn and get the idea behind the trade, also get the thought process. So if we are taking a buy as at where the market is currently, what it will do that it will make our stop loss to be very large, because our stop loss needs to be somewhere behind this last low, so that the market the trade will make sense, give us a better risk to reward. Because if you want to take this trade now as where the market is currently, this is 15 minutes time frame. What it will do for you is, let me put a buy position signal. Now look at, let's say we are stretching this market, we are stretching up here. and this is already 23 pips. So if we want to extend it more, this is 50 pips. So what it 50 pips on this thread, it won't really make sense. So let's hope that this market is going to, you know, sell down a little, then can tap us in. So I'll be making use of Fibonacci 2 helps you to catch moves when the market have betrayed. So I'm going to be putting a pending order at this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So when the market gets to that point, let me put is, yes, this for 61.8 Fibonacci level. So if this market can retrace to this point, we are going to be tapped into for a buy position. So this can serve as our first signal. This is pending order. This is pending order. So let's calculate. Let me finish. Then we can calculate our risk. I'm comfortable with, yes. We are doing 25 pips XL on this pair. On this thread, we are doing 25 pips XL. So we are doing 25 pips SL. We are going in with a pending order. So you can calculate your risk. Please do not over leverage on your account. Just do proper risk management. Let's catch one is to 2 point something risk to reward ratio. This is like 1 is to 2.6 risk to reward ratio. If you can catch 1:2, that's fine. We are doing 25 pip stop loss on this. So guys, you can calculate your orders, you can calculate your position. This is our first signal. We have signal now on CHF JPY with a pending order. We are entering for a buy position. So you can screenshot your, you can make a screenshot. Let me put this well so that we can have it on our screen. So you can screenshot this, look at our entry number, look at our entry here. We are entering the market at 167.504. We are entering this market at 167.504, and our stop loss is at 167.254. This is 25 pips stop loss. So you can calculate your risk, then you know how much you are putting as your lot size. You know how much you are putting as your lot size. You know how much you are putting at your lot size. Someone is asking, can we short on GDP USD? No, I don't know for now. We'll go to the chart, then whatever the chart tells us, that's what we are gonna do. Oh, someone is asking, where is FXDaddy? I hope he's fine. So sorry I didn't let us know. FXDaddy is unavoidably absent, so he couldn't make it. So instead of us not taking the live trading sessions, he has everyone in his mind, so he had to tell me to go up. So I bring you greetings from FX Daddy. Sorry, I skipped that. He's greeting every one of us. So he sent his greeting. So FX Daddy is fine. He's greeting every one of us. So by next week, I'm sure he would be available to take the live trading session himself. So he's very much concerned about us. So that's why we had to do this. So cheers, guys. FS Daddy is fine and he's greeting everyone. He's greeting everyone. Okay. Someone is asking what's TP. Okay, let me give us the TP level. Let's just set this as 1:2 risk to reward. So you can put your parameters, then you can go and sleep. Your TP is 1:2, 1.68.094. You can look at your screen, then just screenshot this. You can look at your screen. Just let me leave it for some minutes. Just screenshot this. Just take a screenshot of this so you can enter the position. Let me also enter my own. Just give me a moment. Let me calculate my own and enter. Let me calculate my own, enter. So we are currently 45 amazing people on this live trading session. So we are above 40. So everyone connected, you can do well to reach out to the next person who would want to take this opportunity to make money. You can share this the session link to them so they can also join you and make money. So I'm leaving us to calculate our risks and enter the trade before we will go on to analyze the next trade. So I need to also take my own position. So please, everyone on this live trading session, we are both 40. Everyone on this live trading session, please do not over leverage and just practice proper risk management. We have a long way to go. So I'm leaving us to calculate our risks and enter the trade before we go on to analyze the next trade. So let me calculate. Yes. In a moment, we'll be going to the next chart for our analysis. In a moment, we'll be going to the next chart. I need to enter my own position. It's just that I have multiple accounts here, but let me just enter so that the ship does not leave me behind. Because anything can happen. We may be thinking that this is a pending order, it will take time. It may just trigger in the next 5 minutes. So that's why you need to, if you're entering, you enter now. Enter now. This well, 25 pips. CHF JPY. I'm in. Let me let me modify my positions and know this is out of it. 167.254. See the stop loss. In a moment, we'll be going to okay, let me attend to the comment section as sorry, which pair are you working on? Because it's not clear here on the screen. Okay, this is CHF JPY. I just left these parameters for us to get the parameters and put in our trade. This is CHF JPY. I believe you can see the screen very well now. This is CHF JPY. This here. No, someone is asking, is it a buy stop? No, it's not a buy stop. You use buy limit. This is buy limit that you have to use. Buy stop is the market is already going up, then you just want it to come to a point. It will more like taking you into the trade. This buy limit, the market have to sell first, then come and tap you in for a buy. So at now, what we are doing is buy limit, by not by stop. So I need to say this again. We just have to be comfortable with what the market chooses to do. So you can put a pending order, the market doesn't come in and tap you in. That's fine. So I just want us to be fine with the outcome of the trade. So just in case the market decide not to come down and take us in because you are using pending order, you just have to be fine by it. Okay, so I will attend to this comment section later. Someone is asking, please, it's not clear. I don't know what is not clear here. Is it the buy limit or buy stop, or my screen is not clear? Which one? Let me go to the next chart and see what we have on the next chart. Okay, this is NZD NZD. I'm starting this analysis from 4 hours time frame. So now let me just go down to a daily time frame to have an overview of what the market is doing on this pair. So look at your screen and see what the market is doing on a daily time frame on this pair. Now, on a 4 hours time frame, we'll see that this level have become a key level where the market is touching, respecting, rejecting. The market have touched this level a couple of times. So by technical analysis, I'm expecting that this market is going to make a reaction on this point. It's gonna break it or reject on it. We'll now go down to a lower time frame to see what is currently is more like a very strong key level on this, because it has been touching, respecting, and rejecting on this level for a couple of times. The market have touched this level multiple times. So on a 1 hour time frame, let's see on a 1 hour time frame what the market is doing. So we can see that here, based on 4 hours time frame, we can say that this market is tilting towards the upside. That's like an uptrend. But then let me put this. Let's see what the market is doing at this point. Trying to give us the best analysis so we can execute well and have a profitable trade. So on a 1 hour time frame, I'm looking out for this pair because this pair is tilting on the bullish side. This pair is bullish, and I'm seeing a pattern here. I'm seeing a pattern here on a 1 hour time frame, though it's not very clear. So we can see that this point is in like head and shoulder pattern. I'm just we need to wait properly for confirmation before we will take a trade. We'll just mark on this pair. Then after before the end of this session, we are going to come back to it. Let's just be patient to have this candle to conclude and form and finish its formation. Then it will give us a clear bias on, it will give us a clear confirmation on which, on what action to take, whether to go in for a trade or just to wait for some moments. So let's just keep this pair and put a flag on it. We are going to come back to NZDJPY. Okay, someone is asking GDP USD. So I took a trade on GDP USD yesterday. You can see. So if you look at GDP USD, you for the CPI, you would just say that this pair is not going to take any other direction if not to buy. So technically you are right, but this is fundamental. Fundamental can just come and change the game for you. So that's why in the forex market you can't say that this trade is 100% for you. You can't say you are putting your family inheritance on this pair because you feel you are technically sound and all that. So as much as you can, that's why the place of proper risk management cannot be relegated to the background. So let's look at GDP USD and see what the market is doing on GDP USD. So someone was asking if you can continue the sell. Hold on, let's sorry, is my screen not clear enough? Okay, let me just take this time to respond to this comment section so that everyone can be in the same page. Please, is my screen not clear? I'm sharing my screen now. Confirm with me if you can all see my screen, if it's clear. Okay, someone is saying it's clear. Okay. Okay. Screen not clear. Mm. Okay, someone said we didn't get the last thread that you called. Okay, I think I'm going to put it on the comment section. Please, everyone, you just exercise some patience. Let me fix this. We can't get. Okay. 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 Please, I don't know. Everyone saying my screen. I can watch my screen with a television here, and I think my screen is clear. So everyone, I don't know. You can increase your video quality if you are using YouTube. If you are using YouTube, that's fine. That's why it's good to use a premium YouTube. Just increase your video quality. I think that's where the issue is. I'm not sure it's from my own end, because so I'm not sure it's from my own end. My screen is fine. I've used another device to check it. So let me drop the first thread for us in the comment section. So just hold on. Please, everyone that have taken the thread, just hold on so that we can carry everyone along. We'll carry everyone along. Just hold on. Yes. It's not clear. Okay. Okay, this is the so I have dropped the just look at the comment section if you're asking about the oh I didn't know that I was muted. Sorry, I've unlocked it. So look at the comment section, then you get the parameters for the trade. Let's go to let's go ahead. Okay. Wow. This way, I thought I would see a signal here. GDP JPY. So look at GDP JPY, what the market is doing on GDP JPY. This is GJ. After GJ, I will now go back to the other one. Then check the one that I flagged, waiting for the 1 hour candle to complete. Now on this GJ, let's see on a daily time frame. So if you look at your screen on this red line, this like the all-time high. It's clear. Sorry. Okay. So on GDP JPY, on this red line, you see that this is like the all-time high of where the market has, the last high and all that, and the market is likely going to touch there. So GDP JPY has been buying for a long while. So looking at it from a daily time frame perspective, you see that the market have always been on a clear uptrend. Now on a 4 hours time frame, let's see, on a 4 hours time frame, I'm still expecting that the market is going to buy. So but at this point now, I'm not going to be initiating a buy position. Now two possibilities are is available here. Now is either the market breaks through this trend line. Once it breaks through this trend line, I know that the buy is not going to happen. Is now there, will now be looking for a sell opportunity. So if you even try to put a level here, you see that this level is a key one too. Now I'm speculating that GDP JPY is going to buy, but where is going to buy from? That's the point I would want to now check. I want to now check UI. Waiting for you to come into a level that I'd want to buy from. I want to have a trade that we can just execute instantly. So, but then if we cannot execute, make an instant execution, that's fine. So better still, I will just leave the pair and we'll come back to it before the end of the session. So please, everyone, just stay on the session. Just stay on the session. I don't know. Just stay on the session. Just stay on the session. At least we've taken one trade, though it's a pending order. So I'm scouting out of the market to see if we'll have a trade we can take instant execution. Just stay on the, let's get our analysis spot on, then we'll fire from there. We'll fire from there. So let me see if, let me try to use Fibonacci on this pair. This seems to be working with a pending order too, but then let's mark out this. So you are seeing my screen. You see my idea behind this thread. I'm looking out for a buy on this trend on this pair, seeing that the market is on uptrend. I'm looking out for a buy on this, but then will not be entering immediately. Let me check another pair. This one we are going to revisit it and see what's going on there. If you are going to still put a pending order, then we'll put and have the trade, run in its time. Let's check this GDP USD. Now, GDP USD, GDP USD sold massively yesterday because of the impact of the CPI news. It sold crazily yesterday, and it seems that the pair may want to just make a retracement and keep selling. But then let's do our analysis and see what is happening on the pair. Now, on a 4 hours time frame, we see that the markets have changed its direction to a downtrend. On a 4 hours time frame, the market have changed its direction. Now, if you look at here, we'll see that the market was buying and fell to this point. Let me mark it out for us to see. So this is like where the market bought to, and the market stopped buying and started selling. Now we'll see a change of direction, change of character, whatever. See that this low was taken out by this guy here, and the market, kept selling and bought for a while, and you see the heavy sell that happened here. So most likely what we may just see on this pair is something like this. The market can just reverse and keep falling So the overall bias of the market is for a sell, but we may catch a buy position if we get a good entry, because I'm hoping that this market is going to make a reversal. Now let's put this here. You see this level here. This market is definitely going to make a reaction on this level. Now if you look at clearly, you will see that the market have touched this level first time, second time it has touched this level multiple times. So I'm expecting a buy from this point. The market is going to buy, then it can buy and then start falling again. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's see if we have an instant execution signal on this. Let's go down. Hope the market is going to buy. This can be a signal for us. I'm expecting GDP USD to buy at this time. It's going to buy. Let's catch some pips. Let's catch some pips out of GDP USD for a buy. Let's see how many pip stop loss we would be considering on this trade. This trade is going to be an instant execution. We are going to be entering instantly. We are going to be entering instantly on this pair. GDP USD, just my screen. So we are doing 30 pips stop loss on GDP USD for a buy. 30 pips stop loss on GDP USD for a buy. We are doing 30 pips stop loss GDP USD for a buy. So we are buying GDP USD. This GDP USD is instant execution. Instant execution. So go ahead to calculate your position. Go ahead to calculate your position. GDP USD, buy GDP USD now. We are entering GDP USD for an instant execution, not a pending order. So not a pending order. GDP USD for a buy now. GDP USD for a buy. GDP USD for a buy. GDP USD for a buy. GDP USD for a buy, instant execution, 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips stop loss, guys. Let me type out for us instant execution GDP USD. Let me put it for us on the comment section. Hope everyone can hear me. I don't know who is saying you are muted, sir. Maybe it's a long time ago. GDP USD, GDP USD, buy at buy GDP USD at XL. The XL is 30 pips. XL is 30 pips. XL is 30 pips. Then TP. You may decide to leave the TP open, but for TP sake, I'm going to give us TP. The potential I'm seeing on GDP USD, it may do more than 1:2. But then for TP sake, if you just want to put your TP, I'm going to give TP for 1:2. Then you can decide to leave your TP open. So GDP USD buy. So I've checked the comment section there. Check the comment section. The stop loss is 30 pips. The signal is buy on GDP USD. So we have two signals. We have two signals now. So if you are following, let me know on the comment section. Type I'm following. If you are following, type on the comment section. Let me know that you are following. Respond to me on the comment section if you are following. Just type I am following. I am following. I am following. If you are following on the comment section, let me know. Let me know. Let me know that you are following. Let me know that you are following on the comment section if you are following. Let me know that you are following on the comment section. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. I can see us. GDP USD all the way. Yes, 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 yes. I'm very hopeful for this trade. I'm very hopeful for this trade. I'm very hopeful for this trade. So it's an instant execution. So just give me a moment. Let me calculate my position too and enter. Just give me a moment, please. Guys, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I'm entering the position also. I'm entering the position also. Give me a moment, guys. Calculate your risk and enter with the right lot size. Yeah, I'm in GDP USD for a buy. Let's go there. So put in your stop loss and just wait for the market to do its thing. Yeah. Yes, I can see we are following. I can see we are following. So we have an instant execution trade and we have a pending order. Let's check. So we'll be bringing updates on the thread in the group chat. So if I believe every one of us there, we are you are in one or two communities that belong to TradeWave or in our Telegram group chat. So we'll be bringing updates on the thread. I'm very hopeful that the thread is going to go our way. Is going to go our way. So if you are in for GDP USD, it's already buying. If you entered at the time I asked us to enter, you will be in profit at least this like 2 pips. So but then let's just be calm and see what the market is going to do. But I'm very hopeful that it's going to be a good trade. Let me use this opportunity to check on the trade that I said we are going to flag. Mm, okay, not this, not this. Okay, guys, what I'm seeing on the pair is not convincing again, but we already have two trade. We already have two trades. So I think that's because our time is already up. This engagement is meant to be for an hour. So because our time is already up, that's the place we'll be calling it to an end at this point. So we have two thread out of CHF. You know, the first is on a CHF pair. The first is on CHF JPY for a pending order buy. So we are hoping that the market is going to retrace and tap us in. So if after 24 hours and I see that the setup has been invalidated, I would send an update on our different groups and communities so we can cancel the position. So try as much as you can and make sure that you are in our Telegram community. That's where updates will be coming for the trade that you've taken. So on GDP USD, stay locked in, guys. If you've taken the trade, put your stop loss, then let the trade ride. You can decide to leave the TP open or you can just put the TP I dropped for us. So but then I'm very hopeful that it's going to be a very profitable trade. So guys, everyone that joined us in today's live trading session, this is the place we'll be calling it to. So guys, Everyone that joined us in today's live trading session, this is the place we'll be calling it to an end. I'm very hopeful that the trade that we've taken today in today's live trading session is going to be a very profitable trade. So if you took the trade, I will tell you congratulations at least. So just stay locked in, just stay locked in. We had well over 45 persons that joined us in today's live trading session. So I'm very hopeful that the trade is going to be a profitable one. So guys, keep enjoying and keep making money from the forex market. So let me tell us, if you've not followed TradeWave on YouTube, please go ahead and like this YouTube video and subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do it like right now. Do it like right now. Tap the subscribe button, then go to Instagram and follow us at TradeWaveNG. Go to Instagram and follow us at TradeWaveNG. We would always want to have everyone that is connected to the company in one or two ways to always make money from the forex market. So that's why we go out of our way to make sure that people gain a lot of value for free from what we are doing. So guys, cheers everyone. Keep making money from the forex market and keep enjoying. I celebrate every one of you. Cheers guys. Bye bye. Peace out. So this live trading session is going to be ending now. It's going to be ending now. So take care guys. Take care guys. Bye.
Your speaker is